Hi guys! Kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipain na rin yung tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. You know? At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa The Voice Kids. Christina Holly Crosby shares her passion for singing with This Is Me. And sobrang excited na ako guys na mapanood tong performance niya. Kaya tara mag-umpisa na tayo. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go! Alright! Okay, bilang tayo guys ng 3, 2, 1, go! So, here we go! Wait lang guys, ang ingay na sasakyan na dumaan. Okay, play na natin. Cute.
Sounds so young.
Nice. Ang galing niya, no? Wow! Yes, Pablo. No way, si Pablo. Si Pinuno. Ang cute. Ang cute niya, no?
The guy that sang before I sang, he's my brother.
Oh.
Can I ask you something? What made you choose this song?
I wanted to choose this song that me being a singer. This is me being a singer. And this is me being proud of myself. And this is me being grateful to that for my journey that I took.
Grabe.
Yes.
Hi! Kuya daw, para mga kapatid pa. Ako yung kuya, si Ate Ocean, si Mami Janice, si Tito Mark. So Mami, ano yung pakiramdam mo? Masaya po, pero pressure din. Pero okay lang din. Mami, huwag po kayo ma-pressure. Kasi sa tingin ko, yung mga anak nyo, tingnan nyo, yung mga anak nyo, sobrang mahal na mahal kayo kasi sumasali sila sa mga ganito kasi gusto kayong iahon sa kung saan man kayo ngayon.
And also, the reason why I sang here is because I wanted to win this contest because my dad is in America and he's been not coming back for a long time.
Oh.
My dad, he usually is in America right now, and I really miss him. I haven't seen him.
Oh.
One thing I haven't seen him. He went out. He never come back. But only if I win this contest, he will come. That's why I want to be here.
Buti na lang. Umi ko si Coach Pablo.
Hi, Dad. I miss you for a long time. I know I haven't seen you. I know you're still there traveling. I'll see you again when you come back.
yourself. Christina, I just want to say that I love your heart. I love your confidence.
Yeah.
I will do the very best I can to teach you what I know. And I will help you win this competition. Yeah. I just want to give you this back. Yeah. And welcome you to Tropa ni Pablo. Let's go, Anthony.
Nice. Nice one. Diba? Actually, maganda yung boses ng bata, no? Ang bata pa niya pero napaka-powerful na ng boses niya. What if pa more pag nag-mature na siya, mas lalo pang gaganda yung boses niya. Alright, na kay Team Pablo na, kay Coach Pablo tayo. Alright. And abangan natin ang susunod na mga kabanata regarding dito sa competition nito, The Voice Kid. And sobrang gustong-gusto ko talaga pinapanood guys yung mga ganito, yung mga The Voice Kids. Sobrang naaaliw ako, sobrang na-amaze lang ako sa mga talento na meron tayong mga Pilipino na talagang pang world class. Alright, kung nagustuhan nyo ito guys, bigyan nyo ito malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. You know, bye!